Ichie.
This one you people are running, I hope all is well.
All is not well. We're coming to your house. Thank God we met you here.
What happened?
Ichie, there's a problem.
A very, very big problem.
What problem is that?
I just had a call that Emeka was kidnapped.
Huh?
Yes. Not just that Emeka was kidnapped. They killed Emeka and asked us to come to Ekulu Forest and carry his corpse.
You mean Emeka has been kidnapped and killed?
He answered the call.
Yes.
He was the one that received the call. And Ichie, what do we do? I was thinking of going to the police first before going to the forest.
Yes.
Okay, you know what? Let us first of all go to Ichie Payo's house. After that, we go to the police station. Then, from police station to the forest.
Oh, the man.
I think that will be okay.
Let's go.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.